In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can find the list of your subscribers if you are using YouTube on your mobile phone, and also if you are using it on your PC. So I'm going to show you guys the ways you can do that on the mobile and also how to do that on a PC too as well. If you are new here, try to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and now let's move to the first option. The first option is when you want to check your subscribers if you are on a PC. So you just move to your studio like this and then scroll down here. You can see recent subscribers. So the subscribers you're going to see here are people that have turned their subscriptions on public. If it's private, you can't see them, but then they will subscribe to your channel, something like that. So all these people have turned their subscription to public. You can see here. So that's it on how you can check the subscriptions or the subscriptions of your channel on a PC. On your mobile app, you just need to hop on your YouTube like this, original YouTube app, move to your channel like this, your channel profile. You're going to see the list of your subscribers here. You can see a picture of that on your screen. So that's it on how you can check the list of your subscribers if you're on a PC and also if you're on a mobile phone. If you're new here, try to give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.